In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see a strike price chart in TradingView step by step. If you've ever wanted to visualize options information right on your price chart, this tutorial is for you. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can quickly overlay strike prices, calls, and puts and make sense of what you're seeing. Start by opening TradingView and logging into your account. Having an active session ensures you can use built-in indicators and save your chart layout as you go. Once your chart is open, look at the top toolbar and click the indicators icon. It's the one that looks like FX. This is where you can search for and add indicators to your chart. In the search field, type Options or Options Strategy. You should see a built-in option called Options Strategy by TradingView. Select that, or choose another options-related indicator if you prefer. The built-in one is a reliable starting point because it's maintained by TradingView and designed to work seamlessly with most standard chart setups. After you select it, the indicator will apply to your chart immediately. You'll see an options overlay that includes strike prices, along with calls and puts. Depending on your chart theme and layout, these may appear as horizontal lines or labeled levels. Don't worry if it looks busy at first. That's normal. We'll clean it up in the settings so the strike price levels are easy to read. To adjust the display, hover over the indicator name at the top left of your chart and click the gear icon. In settings, you can choose the expiration you want to analyze, tweak which elements are visible, and adjust the styling. For clarity, consider enabling labels for strike prices, changing line colors to contrast with your background, and increasing line thickness or opacity so key levels stand out. If the chart looks cluttered, hide elements you don't need, such as certain legs or extra labels. Small adjustments go a long way toward making the overlay useful at a glance. With the settings dialed in, you can now analyze strike prices directly on your chart for the selected expiration and symbol. The overlay will update to whatever symbol you have loaded, so you can compare different tickers simply by switching charts. Use your crosshair to hover over levels, and zoom in to examine at-the-money strikes or significant out-of-the-money areas. If you don't see data for a particular market, it may be a data availability issue. Try another symbol or expiration. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.